Hello everyone, this is Nimish. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to react to the trailer of Rocketry. This is a movie written and directed by R. Madhavan, also starring him, and it is one of his dream projects. Of course, that's why he wrote it, he directed it. He's been spending so much time, effort, money on this project that it is extremely ambitious. So let's go and check out the trailer, much awaited, and then we shall speak more about it. Here we go with the trailer of Rocketry.
उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इस सारी तामझाम का ढंग का नतीजा निकले। 3,
अगर आपको लग रहा है ये सब फजूल है तो फिर आप यहाँ पर आए कि
2, मैं यहाँ इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि मेरे साथ जो हुआ वो स्टेज में किसी और के साथ नहीं होना चाहिए। वाह,
Damn, SRK there and aging
दुनिया भर
Madhavan.
में लोग ना 60-70 टन की इंजन बना रहे हैं और हम यहाँ 600 किलोग्राम के खिलौना बनाकर खुश हो रहे हैं। सर, ये रॉकेटरी नहीं है, पपेटरी है। इन रॉकेट्स के जरिए हमें कमर्शियल सैटेलाइट्स लॉन्च कर रहे होंगे। कमर्शियल सैटेलाइट लॉन्च मार्केट जो आने वाले दिनों में $1 ट्रिलियन मार्केट है, उसका हमें हिस्सा बनना पड़ेगा।
जो मेरे अब्बा अंकल पूरा परिवार 5 साल में कमाते हैं वो आप 1 साल में कमाओगे
ना, 1 महीने में। क्या कहती हो? ऐसा ऑफर ले लें?
बास्टर्ड्स ये फिर से हमारे काबिल दिमाग छीनना चाहते हैं।
क्योंकि मेरे सामने जो देख रहा हूँ उसे देखकर मेरा खून खोल रहा है। नंबी नारायणन, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ क्रायोजेनिक, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ सेकंड स्टेज, प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ फोर्थ स्टेज, एसोसिएट प्रोजेक्ट डायरेक्टर पीएसएलवी।
सबको लगता है कि लिक्विड इंजन मेरी वजह से फेल हुआ है, लेकिन सच तो ये है कि मैं आपकी वजह से फेल हुआ हूँ।
400 मिलियन पाउंड्स के इक्विपमेंट स्कॉटलैंड से उठा लाए मुफ्त में। हमारे साइंटिस्ट को फ्रांस भेजकर उन्हीं का इंजन उनसे ही बेहतर बना दिया। रशिया में क्रायोजेनिक इंजन अमेरिकन के नाक के नीचे से निकाल लाए। पागल होने की ताकत आपसे
Very
बेहतर कौन
empowering,
समझ सकता है।
inspiring
ये सब और बेहतर
tale.
होता अगर तुम नासा में काम करते तो। ऑक्सफोर्ड डिक्शनरी में देशभक्ति का मतलब समझाने के लिए उन्होंने तुम्हारी तस्वीर छाप रखी है।
A story that needs to be told for sure.
किसी कुत्ते को मारना हो तो अफवाह फैला दो कि वो पागल है। ठीक उसी तरह किसी इंसान को बर्बाद करना हो तो ये ऐलान कर दो कि वो देशद्रोही है।
Damn.
मुझे तुम लोगों से कोई कैरेक्टर सर्टिफिकेशन नहीं चाहिए, ना ही मैं यहाँ कोई पॉपुलैरिटी कॉन्टेस्ट जीतने आया हूँ। एक मिशन के लिए आए हैं, बस।
अब सितारों तक पहुंचाने वाली जिम्मेदारी तुम्हारी।
Okay, the wigs are sometimes funny.
क्या समझ रखा है मुझे? मैं एक रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट हूँ।
Hell yeah. That actually looks extremely effective, impactful, and entertaining. It has so much going on that, this trailer, watching it once is not enough. And the movie is, I can only imagine what a tale it tells from start to finish. This is an epic saga of a story. Now, the main thing, of course, is R. Madhavan's character, Nambi Narayan, and the whole character graph and different stages of his life that we're seeing in the trailer is extremely interesting, and the looks are perfect. It's perfectly done. His makeup, hair, everything, and the aging looks have been done perfectly. There's also a starking contrast between the various stages of his life and how his body language is and how he behaves. So it's going to be very interesting to see how he goes from this young, arrogant, ambitious guy to suddenly getting disconnected from the world and trying to focus on his personal life or family life, and then his old age where he's sort of probably narrating the story to Shah Rukh Khan. And through this, because it's a true story, there's so much to learn about this untold story of Indian rocket scientists, the whole rocketry world that we're talking about, and how as a nation we probably don't focus on these things. We probably don't give opportunities to some intelligent candidates that are in key positions, and the amount of bureaucracy that's involved, the politics that's involved, the finance that's involved. All of that seems to be covered very well in a very well researched tale. A couple things that just generally is a very thematic problem in many Indian films, and sometimes also in Hollywood films, is the use of wigs and prosthetics and makeups for certain characters. it just doesn't sit well. And that I noticed in the trailer, that for a couple characters it appeared a little odd. But maybe, in the movie you get used to watching it and it's going to work out. Considering the amount of detail, time and effort spent, I have no doubt this is going to be a very entertaining movie. There were also a couple of sequences that I didn't particularly seem to enjoy in the trailer, which is some of the foreigners and things like that coming in and talking and trying to act. They don't seem like good actors, and that's coming across as a staged fake scene as opposed to a genuine scene that, like most of the other movie looks like. Anyway, that all this analysis should be saved for when the movie comes out and we watch it and whatever we feel. I actually definitely enjoyed this trailer. I'm looking forward to a very thoroughly entertaining film here. Very ambitious project from the biggest pan-India star that we have, truly pan-Indian star that we have, R. Madhavan. I hope you like this trailer reaction and review. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and keep watching for much, much more.